Public hearing over the site for garbage treatment plant at Bangini was held at Old Goa Panchayat Hall on Sunday. There was heated arguments between some people and CCP corporators. Some people were not ready to hear the supporters of the plant to speak. However, police pacified the agitated crowd and hearing began. Mayor of Panji, Uday Matkaikar, and corporators pitched for the plant coming up at Bangini. The opponents of the plant, however, booed him while he spoke. The hearing was presided over by North Goa Collector R. Minaka.
Over and above this, whatever is your comments, please do so in the time given to you. With this, we close the presentation by the Goa Waste Management Corporation. Whatever is the comments that you have to offer will be offered only in the hearing. In case anything has to be identified, anything has to be marked, even that you will do so in your comment section, which will be taken care of.
सानिकापेक्षा बरो प्लांट जातो अशें आमकां सांगलां आनी म्हाका खात्री आसा बरो प्लांट जातो एडवान्स प्लांट जातो म्हणून लोकांक आतां सायन अप केला जे कोण बोर्डान गेले तेका बोर्डान सांगलेलें की बाबा हे आमी आमकां म्हणजे सीसीटी डायरेक्शन दिलें आसा परत जर आमी जर ते फॉलो करना डायरेक्शन फॉलो करना प्रत्येकाक रायट आसा परत कोर्टान वचून तेणी स्टे हाडपाक आज गार्बेज इशू पंचकारांकूच न्ही तिसवाडी तालुक्यात न्ही सगळ्या गोंयांत आज व्हडलो गार्बेज इशू आसा आनी आज जर आमी जर गार्बेज इशू सॉल्व करना तर आमी फुडल्या पिढीक आमी आन्सर दिवंक पावचे ना हे उपयोग करता इतर चिंतूंक जाय तुमची गार्बेज खंय उडयता ती तुमी आज ओल्ड गोवा पंचायत गार्बेज तुमची खंय व्हरता खंय दिता तुमची गार्बेज आज तुमचे कडेन कॅपॅसिटी आसा तुमची ओन गार्बेज हे करपाची ट्रीट करपाची पंचायती कडेन कॅपॅसिटी आसा
This particular plant is a very high-tech plant. It is a very high-tech plant.
Please allow the speaker to speak.
Please allow me to speak. This is a very high-tech plant. There is an EIA report, Environmental Impact Assessment Report, which is conducted by India's premier institute, that is NEERI, National Environmental Engineering Institute. And they have come up with a report which suggests that this particular site, which is shortlisted by government, is perfect for putting up this garbage treatment plant. I believe that this plant is also beneficial for the residents of this locality also. Currently they don't have anything to dispose of their garbage.
The proposed plant will process and treat solid waste in a scientific manner in compliance with the solid waste management rules and regulations. Second, there shall be no dumping of solid waste at the acquired site. Third, once the plant is commissioned, the issue related to solid waste management, especially with processing and disposal, presently being faced by the corporation, municipalities, village panchayats will be addressed. Fourth, the plant proposed would cater to Tiswadi Taluka, and as such, the local bodies will be able to collect and transport the solid waste to the proposed plant facility for processing.
Let us find something concrete. Let us find a solution to this plant also. Let us have a cover all around, a green belt.
A section of the people opposed the siting of the plant at Bangini on various grounds.
Now the choice of Kadamba Plateau, even at that time in 2005, was ill-conceived. Two main reasons at that time. One, this area is a strong water catchment area. From historical times, very strong water supply which used to go even to their Benjim and all surrounding areas. Even now, there is a spring called Sant Antonio Spring just across the road. Just 1 kilometer away from the water goes down. And there is Talawi Lake, Karamboli Lake, all around. There are wells and there are fields. The second reason is the UNESCO Heritage Zone. Designated in 1986 by UNESCO, it was called a cluster of churches and convents. No need to elaborate much on this. There are thousands of people coming visiting on a daily basis to the churches, and they take the same road where the trucks will come.
I, Amir Kumar San,
a working scientist at the Oceanography Institution here stands before you. Scientifically and technologically, the proposed integrated solid waste management facility which is going to be here. Have you seen the draft report in toto? It is full of mistakes.
Our video journalist Amar Chowria from Old Goa.